Which phone mount for rental cars is actually good? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1, Keistel MagSafe Mount. First up is the Keistel for MagSafe Car Mount. Priced at just $9.98, this magnetic holder caught my attention with its strong adhesion and sleek design. If you want a reliable mount that won't break the bank, this is worth a serious look. This mount is designed specifically for MagSafe, which means if you have an iPhone 12 or newer, you can snap it right on without any fuss. The strong vehicle-grade 3M adhesive ensures it stays put, even on bumpy roads. Plus, it rotates 360 degrees, giving you the perfect viewing angle whether you're using GPS or taking calls. With a solid 4.5-star rating from over 28,700 reviews, it's clear many users appreciate the blend of functionality and price. Now, some people complained about the adhesive losing its stickiness over time. Here's the thing though, as long as you follow the installation instructions and clean the surface properly, it should stay secure. If you're someone whose car is prone to high temperatures, this could be a concern, but for most drivers, it's a solid option. This is perfect for you if you're a budget-conscious renter needing a quick solution. Skip this one if you're looking for a more premium feel or have a non-MagSafe device. Now, if the Keistel's adhesive worries you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, ANDERY Magnetic Mount. Next up is the ANDERY Car Phone Holder for MagSafe, retailing at $25.59. What caught my eye here is its impressive suction and durability. If you need something that can handle a bit more weight, give this one a look. The standout feature of this mount is its powerful suction cup, which can hold up to 78 pounds. That means it's more than capable of securely holding your phone, even during sudden stops or sharp turns. The 360 degrees rotation and dual-axis adjustment allow you to position your phone exactly how you like it, whether on the dashboard or the windshield. Plus, it's designed to withstand extreme temperatures, making it reliable for year-round use. With 4.4 stars from 20,500 reviews, it's proven its reliability. But here's a downside. Some users found it tricky to remove the phone with one hand. For someone who's always on the go, this could be a hassle. However, once you get used to the mechanism, it shouldn't be an issue for most. This is a great choice if you prioritize extreme suction and adjustability. Skip this if you prefer a more straightforward one-hand operation. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want versatility. Product number 3, Kifatan Dash Mount. The Kifatan Dash mounted holder comes in at just $9.99 and really shines in terms of versatility. If you're looking for a flexible option that fits various mounting locations, this one's for you. This mount has a strong suction cup and an upgraded air vent clip, letting you install it on your windshield, dashboard, or air vent without much hassle. Its 360-degree rotating ball joint and adjustable arm give you the freedom to find the perfect angle for your phone. Plus, it supports a wide range of devices, so whether you have a large phone or a smaller GPS device, this mount can handle it. With a rating of 4.4 stars from about 18,200 users, it's another popular option. However, some reviews mention that it can lose suction over time, especially in hot weather. But honestly, as long as you clean the surface before installation, it should perform well. It's a minor concern for most users who value its adaptability. This is perfect for you if you want multiple mounting options and easy adjustability. Skip this if you need a super sturdy hold for more rugged driving conditions. Now, if you need something that can handle extreme conditions, the next product might just fit the bill. Product number 4, VANMASS Military Grade Mount. Next on the list is the VANMASS Car Phone Holder, priced at $25.98. This mount impressed me with its military-grade certification and robust construction. If you want something built to last, you should check this one out. It features a larger suction cup that can hold over 85 pounds, making it extremely reliable on bumpy roads. The one-click release is a breeze, allowing you to easily place or remove your phone with one hand. With its 4.4-star rating from over 34,100 users, it's clear that this mount delivers on its promises. However, some users noted it can be a bit bulky compared to other models. Here's the thing though, if you prioritize stability and flexibility over space-saving design, this mount is absolutely worth it. This is perfect for you if you value durability and versatility in a mount. Skip this if you're looking for something compact that doesn't take up much space. Now, if you're looking for something a little less bulky, the last product on our list is a fantastic alternative. Product number 5, LISEN MagSafe Holder. Finally, we have the LISEN Carphone Holder for MagSafe at $16.99. This is a solid option if you're looking for something uncomplicated and effective. It caught my attention with its strong suction and easy installation. This mount uses next-gen nanogel and an enlarged suction cup for a strong hold. The 180 degrees rotating head allows easy switching between portrait and landscape modes. With a 4.3-star rating from 3,100 users, it's clear that it meets the needs of many drivers. However, some users have reported that it can detach in extremely high temperatures. But honestly, a quick rinse and reattach can fix that, so it's not a huge downside for most users. Skip this if you need something that can also hold non-MagSafe devices securely. So, if you're renting a car and need a phone mount, any of these 5 options could work well depending on your specific needs. To wrap it up, we've looked at the Keistel MagSafe for budget users, ANDERY for heavy-duty suction, Kifatan for flexibility, VANMASS for military-grade durability, and LISEN for a straightforward approach. Each has its strengths, so pick the one that fits your rental needs best.